show you how to make a portable airplane camera. So first, when the guy like these robots, just pull it out and cut your charger or Samsung charger and put it there, and this end I'll show you later where I'll plug in. And what you'll do with this piece is just get this telephone piece and plug this right inside here. And then get this wire piece. And this will go on this hole right here. Okay. And this end always cannot use anything. Okay. So now,
what are you gonna make?
A portable airplane camera.
And what is that for?
To see yourself on the television while you're airplane with your airplane.
Okay.
It's like a DVD.
Maybe for a drone.
No. And now I'll show you what to do with this piece. This piece will go where the screw goes into. Can be easier to put it. It's too hard, so that's okay, because then we can put this right in there, because there's a big hole. It's easier to plug it in, because there always power goes to the circuit board. You can't see the circuit board because it's covered on duct tape, because I got that rubber, because that's when this wire was in there.
Rubber band.
When I was trying to do the other video with my invisible cameras. So this end will go right in here. This can be.
How old are you, Erik Brecht?
Almost 5. Now we can get this special piece and plug it in to this part right here. Look, it goes. This is almost hard to put on like in some kind of mayonnaise pickle can. Okay, so this is all done, but you told me guys what to do with this piece here. You can just plug in this part right here again, like right there, but I put it in there. So we can put this in here. When down fits, just get some piece of tape and put that in there and stick some tape, and it'll still not come off. Remember, duct tape, the strongest tape in the market. And when it will not fit in your hole, just put it right in the center over there.
Where do you get your duct tape?
Duct tape? Toolbox.
And where do you buy it though?
Tool shop.
Okay.
Or you can get it, and when you don't know how to make this, you can just get, you can go to Ursina's Steaks and can make.
Where?
That Ursina concert, and there they got better electric Legos. And when you want, and you are asking me where you can get switches, real electric stuff like these. Can you get like resistors, trumpets. That I can get from
trumpets.
Yeah, or loudest.
Oh, speakers?
And
Horns?
horns, resistors, hard drives, USB flash drives. You can all that get from kipk.com.
ErikBrecht.com.
kipk.com.
Okay?
Yes, kipk, because he told that on YouTube.
Uh-huh.
And then always when you hate my projects, you can watch kipk because those are better too. So you're asking me, what are these stuff? Well, this is when I was pouring out all these paper stuff. And also I want to see what is about this hard drive. You can, because some of you kids know Pula stuff, so I don't know which kids, so you can watch my videos and other ones. And also, when you hate the projects, you can watch our Z tapes when old style ones when I was a baby. Because so I was putting them all over the city and all over the towns. So Victor and me did that all, and see you later.